Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you what to do with 1.5 months to MBA CET exam. So weekly schedule. So we'll come up with more videos for CET to help you prepare. So you can subscribe to the channel, like the video. So let's start. Okay, technically, I would say at this stage, maybe a 3 mocks a week with proper analysis would be a good bet. Because the more mocks you write, the more you're familiar with the exam, the more you come across with different type of questions that can come in the exam, that could help. Okay. On non-mock days, on days which you don't write mocks, ensure that you practice for at least 3 to 6 hours a day. Okay. This is apart from a minimum of half an hour of reading every day and daily calculation of 10 minutes, which means the total time period, including all these three, when you're not writing a mock, could go up almost to 4 to 7 hours a day. Okay. Ensure that you prepare more. Okay. Because in the CD type of exam, the more you prepare, the better it is. The lower range is for people maybe who are working, etc. So if you're working, you don't have enough time, ensure that you give at least 3 hours a day. But if you're not working, you're at home, you can give more time, maybe 6 hours, maybe more than that is what you can give. So normal schedule may be alternate days mock. The idea is you learn from the mock, identify areas that you can improve, and then practice those areas. Okay, that is what you need to do. And keep one day and a Sunday where you just summarize of what you have done, go to all the mocks that you've written, just look at some practice and just, summarize what you need, what you've already done and what you need to do. So when you're talking of mock days, you will at least spend 2.5 hours in writing mock because the timing of mock is 2.5 hours. And almost the same time or even more, it can go to more than 2.5 hours of analysis. So you will almost spend 5 to 6 hours on mock writing and analysis. Now, when you analyze, apart from whatever strategy which you experiment a strategy, find out what strategy works for you, we'll come up with that. Identify also the areas that you need to improve. Then normally, how do you identify areas to improve? Areas to improve are where you feel that if you practice more, you can either improve the speed or you can improve accuracy. For example, there are some questions where your accuracy is good, but you think you're slow. You feel that if I practice more, I can actually improve my speed. Normally, logic questions, abstract reasoning questions, you can build up the speed with more practice. There will be some areas where accuracy could be low, but you feel that you can build up fundamentally by practicing more. Maybe syllogism type of sum, parajumbles, or some type of sum which you feel this. Apart from this, as I said, reading and calculation recommended. Reading is important because remember, CET is a speed-based test. So the faster you read and comprehend, the faster you will be in the exam. In the non-mock days, at least 2 to 4 hours of practice with areas of improvement. So on mocks where you've identified some areas to improve, pick up those areas and focus on those areas. For example, let's say I've identified parajumble as the area to improve. So I'll pick up a lot of sums on parajumbles and try to practice those. Similarly, maybe I've identified abstract reasoning as the area to improve. So I'll take abstract reasoning and practice a lot. And maybe more 2 to 4 hours of general practice. It may not be on areas of improvement, but maybe general calculations, practice, etc., which I would do. And apart from reading and calculation. So these could be maybe area which you're already strong at. Remember, your marks will get in the areas you're strong at. So it makes sense not to ignore that. Focus and practice on those areas. Right? So just tentative schedule with regards to your preparation. We do have courses on CET, crash course, videos, test series. If you're interested, you can contact us. Right? All the best for your preparation and the exam. Thank you.